Ready to embark on an exhilarating journey through the fascinating world of environmental science? Brace yourself for mind-blowing facts that will ignite your curiosity and inspire a deeper connection with our planet. Did you know that trees are the Earth's natural air purifiers, producing oxygen and absorbing carbon dioxide? Or that the Amazon rainforest is home to an estimated 400 billion individual trees? Get ready to dive into the deepest oceans, where mysterious and diverse ecosystems thrive. From the vibrant colors of coral reefs to the majestic migration patterns of whales, the wonders of our planet are breathtaking. So grab your virtual explorer hat and get ready to explore the jaw-dropping beauty and intricate interconnections of our environment. Let's embark on an awe-inspiring quest to understand, appreciate, and protect our precious home. Adventure awaits. Imagine our planet as a tapestry, an intricate weave of land, water, air, and life. Environmental science is the study of this tapestry, its threads, their interactions, and how we, humanity, fit in. It's a detective story where clues like changing weather patterns, shrinking glaciers, and vanishing species whisper tales of our impact. But it's not just about doom and gloom. Environmental science is about understanding, about finding the levers and dials that control our planet's symphony. It's about harnessing the sun's power, cleaning polluted rivers, and restoring forests to their vibrant chorus. It's about building a future where our tapestry thrives, with threads of renewable energy woven into its fabric, threads of sustainable practices binding it together. This intricate dance between knowledge and action plays out in countless labs and field stations. Scientists in white coats track pollutants, while others in mud-caked boots study fragile ecosystems. Satellite eyes peer down, mapping deforestation and charting the rise of ocean temperatures. Every observation, every experiment adds a brushstroke to our understanding. But the tapestry extends beyond the realm of academia. Farmers become soil whisperers, nurturing life in the earth. Engineers dream of wind turbines that sing with the wind, and architects design buildings that breathe with the seasons. The line between scientist and citizen blurs as communities rise to protect their local streams and plant seeds of change. Because ultimately, environmental science is about us. It's about ensuring clean air for our children, healthy food for our tables, and a vibrant world for generations to come. It's a call to action, a reminder that we are not just observers, but co-creators of this grand tapestry. With every informed choice, every act of conservation, we add a stitch of hope, binding ourselves closer to our planet and weaving a future where humanity and nature sing in harmony. The threads we weave in the present cast long shadows into the future. Climate change, the specter looming over our tapestry, demands both urgency and wisdom. It compels us to untangle the knots of fossil fuel dependence, to chart a course towards energy independence painted with the vibrant hues of solar, wind, and geothermal. Yet, amidst the rush for solutions, we must not neglect the delicate threads of ecosystems. Every species lost, every habitat fragmented, weakens the tapestry's integrity, leaving gaps where resilience once bloomed. And so, the quest for sustainability becomes a guiding principle. It urges us to tread lightly, to extract resources with an eye for replenishment, to build cities that embrace nature, not suffocate it. It whispers tales of circular economies, where waste becomes a resource and consumption dances with responsibility. Every innovation, from biodegradable plastics to vertical gardens, adds a stitch of resilience, strengthening the fabric of our future. But change doesn't happen in a vacuum. It ripples outwards from classrooms where curious minds learn the language of the environment, from community centers where seeds of awareness are sown, from policy chambers where the threads of legislation are woven. Environmental science becomes a bridge, connecting knowledge to action, voices to decisions. It empowers individuals to become stewards, businesses to become green champions, and governments to become protectors of the tapestry we all share. For the future is not preordained. It is a canvas waiting to be painted, a symphony yearning for its conductor. Environmental science offers us the brush, the baton, the tools to shape our story. With each informed choice, each act of collective responsibility, we add a stroke of brilliance, a note of hope. In this grand collaboration, every individual, every community, every nation has a role to play. Together, we can weave a future where humanity and nature thrive in vibrant harmony, where the tapestry of our planet sings a song of resilience and hope for generations to come. Kindly subscribe to this channel, Green Shirk.